My video guide will help you to remove fake Chrome update alerts that come from the website Watch Sophisticated Extremely the Product.vip. Watch Sophisticated Extremely the Product.vip. This is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome browser. The purpose of this website is to deceive people, to trick them into downloading some potentially unwanted software. For instance, there may be certain extension for the Google Chrome promoted through these pop-ups, and such extensions may actually hijack some crucial browser settings. Certain extensions may function as adware and display the great portion of ads not related to the sites that you visit. Anyway, speaking about this website, Watch Sophisticated Extremely the Product.vip, you should never interact with it. Do not install any of such fake Chrome update alerts. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, go to the menu, click on More Tools, click on Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them. I also recommend researching your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then start carefully researching your computer in order to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. This way, your system will be free of any other threats and infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.